Hi everyone. Owning a big store is no easy task, since managing numerous products and a large database can get tedious. And performing operations like finding and deleting products that nobody is buying often takes lots of time. Fortunately, there is a quicker way to perform advanced searches, even in the largest database, without giving yourself a headache. And all you would be needing is the WP Sheet Editor plugin for WooCommerce, and a few spare minutes. You can find a link for downloading this tool in the link below the video. Once you open it, you will find this spreadsheet, where all your products will be displayed along with their complete information. If you are interested in finding and deleting unsold products from a specific type of item, like all the t-shirts, we need to start by finding the articles first. Open the search tool here. You can use the fields to apply any filters you might need to your products. In this case, we will be using the keyword field. Now enable the advanced filters. Enter total sales as a key field, to indicate the plug in the column we are working with. As operator, select equal. And add 0 as value. Now we have indicated the plugin to search for the items with no sales. Okay, but how can we delete the items that we already found? Move to the bulk edit tool. Select to update the current search. Enter status as the field to be edited. Select set value. And in this box, you can either select to completely delete the items, or move them to the trash. Now click execute to apply your changes. As you see, the unsold t-shirts are gone from the spreadsheet. Some stores host products from different vendors. And some of those products might be registering 0 sales. Finding and deleting those products is as easy as it was in the last section. Open the search tool. Enter the name of the vendor here. Tick on the advanced filters. Now, let's add the 0 sales filters. We have successfully found the unsold articles uploaded by the vendor. Now let's proceed to delete them using the bulk edit tool. Here, enter status. Set value. And choose to permanently delete the product, or to move it to the trash. In just a few clicks, we got rid of the unsold products uploaded by the vendor. It can also happen that you might want to delete the articles from a specific category, or containing a certain attribute. Or even both things at once. Like deleting all the unsold black products from the men category. Well, the process is no different from those in the previous sections. Open the search tool. Enter the category, or the attribute you are looking for. Or both of them. Tick on the advanced filters. Let's add the filter that will find the unsold products. Okay, the products were successfully filtered, so now let's move to the next step. Open the bulk edit tool. Enter status as the field to be edited. Set value. Select whether to completely delete the product, or just move it to the trash. Now all the items were successfully deleted. Easy and with no complications.